Hello everybody, welcome to your 9-6 lesson on the quadratic formula and the discriminant. Our learning target for today, we are going to be able to use the quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations. We'll solve quadratic equations in one variable by using the quadratic formula. We'll also be able to use the discriminant to determine the number and type of solutions to a quadratic equation. All right, so we have a little bit of vocab to put into our notes. First is this quadratic formula we just mentioned over and over in our learning target. So the quadratic formula is a formula used to solve quadratic equations. In standard form. So we know a couple different forms for quadratic equations. We are going to use the ones in standard form. So standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. When you have standard form, you can solve for x by using the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Well, that looks like fun, doesn't it? All right, you guys are going to see a vocab word called a root. A root is a solution or solutions, sometimes we have two, of a quadratic equation. And then we have this thing called the discriminant. The discriminant is used to determine the number of solutions a quadratic equation has. So the nice thing about the discriminant is once we have this quadratic formula memorized, the discriminant is just inside of it. It's just this b squared minus 4ac. All right, so I just mentioned memorizing the quadratic formula. You guys are going to memorize this. You're going to use it enough that you will have it down, believe it or not. But there's also a song that you can use to help you memorize that you'll remember for years to come. So I'm going to insert a video of the song. It's just under a minute, so watch it all the way through. It repeats 3 or 4 times. The way that our brains work with music, this is going to stick in your brain and it will make it really easy to memorize this. If you've ever heard a song come on that you haven't heard in years and you still know every single word, that's because our brain connects with music in a really cool way that helps us remember it long term. So watch the video all the way through, and then we'll sing the song as we solve quadratic equations.
X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.